a little update on the Jawzrsize because I feel like I failed you. I truly do. So, when I first got this, I, for some reason, believed that you're supposed to chew down like this, like so. Okay? No ma'am. Nope. I got a Snapchat from one of my friends and he straight up said, "You know you're doing that wrong, right?" No, I didn't. So I was chewing this right here the entire day. The entire day. Just doing that. Nope. So, the way that you're supposed to do it is, I mean, I'm sure you guys figured it out, but it's supposed to be this way. So, the Jawzrsize logo thing is supposed to go forward, and then you bite down, and then that's fine. So, you're all set. You're all hot and dandy, right? So that's my big update, is my dummy brain was using this wrong the entire time for an entire full day. And then I cannot tell you how embarrassed I was with this friend, with said friend. He was just laughing at my dorkiness because it's real. It's real, folks. This is what happens, okay? This is why I shouldn't be making these videos. This is why I should be watching these videos. But hey, I want to help you guys out and make sure that you know this stuff prior to starting it, okay? Because I mean, I haven't looked to this day, but if there were videos like this which could guide me, I would be in heaven, okay? Because I have no common sense. Clearly, okay? Zero common sense. What is this? I feel like an airhead. Please don't comment that. But yes, okay, I understand. It could have been a very simple thing that I just didn't know. But yeah, so just if you're watching this and you're trying to see what this does, yeah, so. Okay, and I also wanted to say that I was sore the first day, but I just kept going. I told you guys, I am trying to get this chiseled jaw. Okay, and not only that, but get rid of my little turkey leg and my ham leg down here. So I'll come back and we'll see what's going on there. But I did want to tell you guys that I did notice that my face over here did seem a little slimmer, and I don't think this is just in my head. I think I'm genuinely gonna see the change in the videos, but as I was doing it, I could see the muscles themselves being worked, because you're constantly going, and as you see these muscles, they're expanding and contracting. So I mean, I don't know if that's the word for it, but you know, science. So like so, I don't want to do it, but okay. Ooh, I didn't put lipstick on it. That's good. So, yeah. I look tired. close-up of my orejas. Okay, but anyways. So, oh dang it, I did get lipstick that time. Okay, but I'm gonna wipe it off later because, oh wait, it's fine. So that is the update that I wanted to let you guys know. So I do feel that it's actually working the muscles up here in my actual face, but I don't really feel it down here in my chin. So maybe I might have to do some investigative work and actually watch a YouTube video or do some reading on this product, because I just kind of jump into things. You know, maybe some instructions, Annie. That might help. Maybe read the manual. But, it is day 3 of using this product. And the first day I took it with me to work and I did it for the entire day. And yesterday I did it for, I want to say like 4 hours. So that wasn't the entire day, but I could be better. So what I'm gonna do, I forgot it at home, so that's the issue. So I probably need to buy a second one just so I can have one at work and one for home. That way we don't get our lines twisted and we're good, okay? But I will let you guys know a week out, and then we'll see, because I genuinely do feel that it's gonna slim out my face, especially right over here, like below my cheeks, my jawline. Yeah, my jawline. Okay, like we figured it out. We figured out this anatomy. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video because I feel really done now. So I'll update you guys in a few days. Bye guys.